Litchi from yconion. L cage for RX100 series. Welcome back to Take Apart. As you guys know, I have a Sony RX100 Mark V, so I decided to get a L-shaped cage from yconion. Let's open this box. Well, this unboxing experience is nice. Solid and elegant matte black box, precisely made and packed. I mean, look at it. This is amazing. Let's see what's in the box. Manual, tools, protective foam. This L shape, oh boy, wooden alloy looks cool. And side part. And that's all. Let's see closely. The manual, and tools. Small Phillips head screwdriver, 2 hex keys 3 and 4 mm, and 4 screws. Okay, this bottom plate with wooden handle has Arca Swiss mount. 2 1/4 and 3/8 threads. Also this magnetic coin driver for extending side. I mean, they did awesome job with design. Let's see a side piece. 6 1/4 threads, cold through, and also its Arca Swiss mount. Let's assemble this thing with 2 screws from a tool bag and a hex key. Screw on side piece to the base. Orientation is obvious, cold through facing out. Tight the screws. And let's see what is the small driver for. Shirting for mounting camera. My problem with RX100 is grip. There is nothing to grab. This cage will fix that problem. Place camera on the base. Tight the 1/4 screw with a small screwdriver. And adjust the side to the position you like. Now let's see if I can use camera without any problems. It's on. Display can be used in any angle. Viewfinder and flash unit in working order. And lastly, the battery compartment. All is accessible. Really good job, yconion. And if you fully extend the side, you will end up with another grip. So now you can hold this small camera like a pro. Check some details of the cage. It will be part of my kit from now on. If you're looking for one, feel free to use my links in description. You can get it there for best possible price. Thanks for watching, please don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.